Hey, to install iOS launcher on the Realme 12 5G, first you will have to open Google Play Store, then click on the search and you have to input this phrase iOS launcher, and I will highly recommend you to get this one, the launcher iOS 18. Now all you have to do is just to click on the install button and simply wait until the download will be finished, then click open. Now accept all of these permissions that will pop on the screen. And now let's go back. As you can see, it's still not applied. So what we have to do right now is just to go into the settings. We have to move for apps, select default apps, and now go into the home application. Switch to the launcher iOS 18 and now click OK. Click on the every permission that's popping right now on the screen. Click that we got it, and as you can see, now you can enjoy the iOS launcher on your Realme 12 5G. Also, when you open this quick settings, you will still get this Android feature, but when you go for this application, you can actually download the control center by going here, and you will be redirected to download another application that you will have to actually connect. By the way, right here you can actually find a lot of different options like the blur effect, animations, so have fun and customize every option to your own preferences. And right now please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.